So here's the question. You've got 180 team members right now. When are you going to fire everyone and just use robots to do it all?
Well, that's a great point. A great question. And we are absolutely in an interesting era. So first, I love AI. I love ChatGPT. No doubt on that. I think, we have to think like that. We do not have any other option than to embrace the change, right? We have to live with AI. There is no other way. Now we just have to, we just need to be optimistic about that. And I'm absolutely optimistic about AI. 2 months back, I had a meeting with our entire team and we decided that, okay, we are going to be a first AI-enabled white label agents, okay? Which means that I just told one thing to team that, okay, you know what, AI is not going to replace you. The person using AI will. So essentially, you have to start making use of AI tools in your day-to-day job to increase your efficiency. And I would recommend everyone that, okay, we need to think like AI as a blessing, where now you have an option to automate and, make use of tools to get the boring things done. Imagine the amount of, tasks you are doing on a recurrent basis, on a daily basis. Just get those things done by, AI tools. And now you have all time to focus on all the creative stuff. I mean, we do a lot of custom dev work and a lot of strategic work. So absolutely, like I said, I'm a very optimistic person. So I did not say that, okay, we might not meet this many people a year down the road. I'm like, okay, we might be able to increase the efficiency significantly that, okay, if we need like 100 people, we might not need 100 people. We'll need only 50% down the road, right? Even a year from now. So I think digital agency is the space which is going to be the most impacted by AI first. Now,
which one? Which space?
Digital agency.
Yeah.
So agency,
agreed.
because, we are into all these services, right? So you are saying writing, but even like, coding, our developers are using it so much effectively. I mean, our developers increased their efficiency last month by an hour every day. We have 180 people. So we literally served like 180 hours per day, which is literally we served like 2,000 hours the last month itself, right? Making use of AI. So still, we cannot increase the efficiency like by 50% or 100% because like I said, we do a lot of custom dev work. But I think, for an agency, this is my advice. As an agency owner, you have a really good opportunity to now is the time to sell your strategic and consulting services, right? So specifically, if you are targeting a specific niche, you really have an opportunity. Let's say if your client is coming to you and say, okay, I need a digital strategy or I need to rework my digital strategy, create a blueprint. That's not going to happen through AI tools because that's where you have an, opportunity where you leverage your experience. For example, let's say you are targeting a roofing contractors or, home builders as your niche, then you know that industry in and out. Help them put together the strategy, how their digital strategy should be, right? And then obviously, comes to the production. Obviously, they will need that and you can, use your team to do all the production. But as an agency owner, this is the time. The digital strategy has to be, in your service offering and you should charge for that, absolutely. And that becomes your, it's kind of like, foot in the door, right? Where your customers are getting into your agency. But if you say, okay, we build websites, so we write copy, we do SEO, it's going to be a difficult time. That doesn't mean that, AI tool will be able to do everything by itself. But yeah, you have to have a service which cannot be, done using AI tools. And absolutely, you will be still able to grow consistently and stay relevant in the game.
Thanks for watching Mark Savant Media. Here we're going to help you create better content in less time and turn that attention into income. If you love this video, you're going to love these videos here. Click the one. Me and my team specially selected this just for you. Click the link, check out the video. I'll catch you here next time on Mark Savant Media. Peace.